Hello, and today I am bringing you a special presentation on how to store your coins inside of a nuclear bunker. No guys, I'm just kidding. This is actually how to protect your coins and how to make toning and tarnishing stop. Well, you see, capsules like these is the way to start. You start by putting them in a capsule, but then you put them inside of a safe. But what occurs inside of a safe is large temperature swings and humidity, which is why you get a unit pack with your safe. After a while, these will start to absorb moisture, and you can actually recharge these by putting them in the oven for about 16 hours at 245 degrees, as it says on the bag there. But these remove moisture from your safe, and they protect it from toning and spotting and all that other stuff. You see, this toning inside of this sonically hermetically sealed ANACS capsule occurred after it was graded. The whole top is turning brown, as you can see. Though I have other examples, this one will do for now. I hope you can see that on top. The top is brown. But yeah, things like that, milk spots, can occur inside of your safe. And actually there's a temperature in which you should keep your safe at, if you can keep the humidity and the dew point the same. I mean, the low 60s, like 65 degrees, and low 30s humidity. There's a website called jpcalc.org that will measure the humidity on whether it's okay, you know, whether we're seeing whether removing moisture or adding more. Well, you really don't want to add moisture. Removing moisture is usually the best, but being overly dry isn't good either. There's also such a thing called a two-way humidifier. Other things to watch out for to make sure that your coins don't tone is, you know, things like weather elements, higher humidity means more condensation, temperature swings on high humid days followed by cold nights will cause your safe to sweat and humidify. And dpcalc.org shows metal corrosion and mechanical damage after you input the temperature and dew point in your home. So yeah, this is actually how to protect your coins. And it's not just about opening and closing your safe, it's about putting the Desiccant gel and the dehumidification inside of your gel with the safe. You get all sorts of different kinds of gel packs. And this is how you protect it from toning. Not just encapsulation, but with other things as well. So encapsulation inside of a safe with a desiccant, and then you're good to go. Although after a few years you will need to recharge these desiccants as they do fill up with moisture. You'll need to put them in the oven. And that's about it with this video. This is the real way to keep your coins safe from toning and other types of issues like that. Toning, milk spots, etc. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll be bringing you more on coins very shortly.